So this is what I was talking to you guys about last week. This is called the beach texture for the hair. And it looks really pretty when I put it on my hair wet, but as soon as my hair dried, poof. For me and my husband were celebrating. We just went out to eat somewhere local on last Wednesday, which was my anniversary, my 31st wedding anniversary. And Saturdays when we went out to someplace a little bit nicer. And this is a Love Beauty Planet coconut milk and white jasmine leave-in conditioner. And so this is the same one, Love Beauty Planet coconut and jasmine. So I said, okay, this doesn't work, and I don't really go to the beach. Maybe it'll work if you're in the beach and you keep spritzing your hair with it. But this is supposed to be a leave-in conditioner. And when we did go to the beach, but we didn't go on the beach. Before, I don't know, my face was just dark or something, so I pushed it in a little bit closer. So anyway, we went to some place a little bit nicer than just takeout, a drive-through or whatever. I put that in my hair, and by the time we got to the beach, because we wanted to go to Rita's Ice, my hair was just poof again. My hair is just so damaged and dried out from the bleaching. I don't know. Now, and I had gotten this one. This is a coconut oil and jasmine frizz control hairspray. And I had gotten these three, and now I'm like, I don't know if this is going to work either, but it was very disappointing that the leave-in conditioner didn't work. So I was upset about that. My argan oil is finishing. I'm going to probably have to go to Sally's to get more. But that's what I put in my hair today, argan oil and the coconut oil. Yeah, and then my nails, just like I had to cut them all down. They were really beautiful and long. I hate cutting them when they get that beautiful and long. But my right hand started hurting me. I'm right-handed, so when I touch anything, it just starts hurting me. And just like I said, the wrap was lifting, and it was taking, this is my weakest, and I was taking my nail with it, but all the way down here. And thank goodness I was able to get the wrap off. And then I'm just basically from now on, what I had to do, because it was hurting so bad, I had to just put a wrap over that, on my whole nail, and because usually I just do half my nail, just to save it, because that's all I really need the protection on. But then it, like I said, it was painful because it was breaking all the way down here. So I just wrapped from the bottom to the top of my nail, cut them all down, except for my thumb. I just filed my thumb because it's my longest, hardest nail. So I just filed it down a little bit, but I cut all my nails down because they were just, when they get too long, they hurt. So yeah, that's the only one I wrap. I just put the Bioset, the resin with the Bioset, and I'm not using wraps unless I need to. So all I have left is my fiberglass wraps anyway. But yeah, and even with that, because I didn't originally do my nails right, because you could just put a wrap over wrap over wrap. The wrap came off. I guess the wrap from before was coming off of this one, and so it still tends to chip, and that's why I had stopped using the gel with the gel set, because it was chipping, and now my resin is chipping too. So I don't get what's going on with that. But since I've been on top of taking my vitamins, I guess, and having to put a lot of coconut on my hair because these sprays just dried it out. And so this one's supposed to be a frizz control. I don't know, my hair just poofed out, like really, really dried out. My husband's like, what happened to your hair, So I'm very frustrated. I think these things are like, because it's Love Beauty Planet, it's, you know, it's supposedly it's organic and it doesn't hurt the planet or whatever. I don't know, man. It's just not working for me. So they were like $10, I think, maybe less than 10. I would say I didn't spend more than $30 for that, and that was a waste of money. But anyway, so yeah, so next week I think I'll do, since I did the yellow and that bronzy color today, next week I'll do that orangey coppery one. And yeah, I like it. I already know though, it's already starting, this eye's already starting to crease. But it is pretty. I'll give it that. It is pretty. Oh, and I didn't say that for blush. I just used my NYX orange, but yeah, it is very pretty, but it is starting to crease already. But anyway, so I'll see you next week with the orange and the copper. I think those were the two colors in there. Okay, so love you. Take care. Mwah. Bye.